Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very happy, very proud to have Bibek with me today. A perfect 90, 90 speaking, 90 reading, 90 listening, and 90 writing in his very first attempt with us. Congratulations, Bibek, very well done.
Thank you, Varun.
That's a dream score. Whenever you think about a perfect 90, it seems it's not achievable. You have done it, Vivek. What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to clearing the exam with the perfect 90?
Okay, I think the most important factor is the mock test itself. So you have to get familiar with the questions, and you have to practice a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And not only practice a lot, you have to practice a lot with the strategy, with the tips
Mm-hmm.
and tricks that you guys gave us, and that's what really helped me.
See, you have taken the test before as well. You missed by a few points, and this time you've got a perfect 90. You were aiming for 79, a perfect 90, 11 more points. What do you think you were missing out in your previous attempt, which you had in this attempt, which helped you to get this score?
In the previous attempt, I think it was just the practice, I think, and some confidence.
Hmm.
And to be honest, like if all these tips and tricks that you guys share with us, I thought it was really easy, and I wasn't confident with that. But after I gave my first attempt, I got more confident because with all those tips and tricks, I got more than desired. And in the
Hmm.
next attempt, I used all of them and got the perfect 90.
That's correct. Because when we give out the strategies, the tricks, they sound like
Yeah.
they won't really work, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's what happened. Like when I was in the first strategy class, and the templates that the tutors shared with us, it was really easy, and I was like, Does it even gonna work or something like that?" But
That's hundred percent
that's
correct
what worked.
because we often tend to take this test as an English test, but it's not what we actually think it is. It's more about convincing the algorithm, providing the system what the system is looking for, and then clearing your test with a perfect 90. Vivek, you have practiced a lot on portal. You have taken a number of mock tests. How important is it to take mock tests and practice on the portal?
It's really important. So the mock tests are really important because that gives you the idea of that's give you like the whole picture of how the exam is gonna be like,
Mm-hmm.
and it gives you like what the question pattern is going to be, and what could be the marking criteria where the marks are more and less. And I would suggest everyone to like give a lot of mock tests.
That's correct because when you practice, it's a different scenario. But when you take the mock test under exam environment, in timed environment, you have that nervousness, you have that pressure, you have to handle your nerves, you have to manage time, you have to make sure you answer everything accurately. And that is where you get to know a real picture of where you stand, what mistakes you are making, and what mistakes you are making which you're not aware of. Because when we practice, we find reading blanks difficult. But when we take the mock test along with reading blanks, we figure out a few more areas we need to work on. So it's very important you take as many mock tests, analyze your mock test, check the tutor's feedback, work on the areas you're missing out on, and crack your test with a perfect 90. Vivek, any final piece of advice for students out there? There are a lot of students who are struggling, missing out by a few points. They feel like they're giving up. Any advice for them, please?
I would advise my advice would be something like practice a lot, but with this strategy, just have a confidence in yourself, uh, and like talk with the tutor, get to know like what you are lacking on,
Mm.
and then practice a lot, and just make sure that you are good with that strategy.
That's 100% correct. Make sure you're following the right strategies. Practice and right strategy both are very important. But as Vivek has pointed out, talk with your tutor. You need to have a conversation. You need to check with the tutors what you're missing out on, what you need to work on, and how to turn your weakness into your strength. Once you are getting your score in the mock test, have a final consultation with your tutor. Go and crack your test. All the very best and congratulations.
All right, thank you, Varun. Thank you for having me here, and also thank you to the whole LA team. You guys are really best.
Thank you, Vivek. Guys, remember this thing. If Vivek has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. You just need to be very smart. You need to work hard, but on top of that, you need to make sure you put your efforts in the right areas, work smartly, get your feedback, practice and take as many mock tests and get a perfect 90. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.